Hello, this is Tina. In this video, we're gonna talk about what's inside Node. Okay, let's start. After we install Node and at what's gonna be inside. Okay, this is our Node. Okay, and then you are using Node, you are write your application using JavaScript, using Node, right? Call Node APIs, okay? You call APIs from Node. So what's inside this part? This is your JS code. In order to run JS, just now in previous video, we using Node hello world.js and then run successfully, right? Inside Node, it has a V8, which is a JavaScript engine, considered as the fast JavaScript runtime now in the world. Okay, it's gonna have a stack, it's gonna have a heap, okay, and it also have something called the libuv. It actually uses several like a libuv, and you can look at the history, okay? Who are taking care of the asynchronous call and who is do the event loop? Actually, is event loop is taken care about the libuv, which is another library which Node use. And Node itself actually is written using C++. So it can do the server-side programming, which means it can access the files, connect to the database, right? Like previously, when you write a client-side JavaScript, which is JavaScript, which is JavaScript run inside the Chrome. Can you create a file? Can you create create a server, accept a request? No, you cannot. So here, Node is written in C++, and our application is using JS file, right? JavaScript written. So if I want to create a file using Node API, I cannot directly using C++ the APIs, right? So here, inside here, Node have something called the Node bindings, which is easy to understand. Binding you can think as another library, or you can think about as a wrapper, which is Node APIs is written in C++. Node binding is a wrapper on top of C++, then expose those APIs using JavaScript language. So in your application, you can using JavaScript language call JavaScript libraries, and Node bindings is a wrapper on top of this C++. C++, this language, understand? And beside that, it will might have other like suppose lower platform components. Like suppose you want to turn a file into a zip file, probably you have a zlib. I couldn't remember the number, but anyway, you can. If you want to create HTTP, you can have HTTP module, low components. Like if you have OpenSSL or others. But most important is these three part: run JavaScript runtime, libuv, which is handle the asynchronous I/O. The event loop is here, and the bindings is to expose the Node APIs in JavaScript language. Okay, so that's it for the Node. And for the next few slides of today, I will talk about event loop inside the Node and give you some basic examples. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.